Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 11. I just randomly decided to vlog today because I will be heading back to Philly, as I mentioned in yesterday's vlog. I'm currently exporting and uploading that vlog as we speak. So yeah, I'm going back to Philly today. I'm working up until like 2 o'clock, heading back around then, and I'm actually going to, as I mentioned in yesterday's vlog, I'm going to be getting a Bartaco tonight, so figured I'd take you guys along with for the day. What do I need to do? Do they know it's Christmas time at all? It is 2 o'clock, or 2 o'clock, not 2 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock now, and I did most of my work stuff for the day. That was like the most important stuff I needed to get done before I left. So now I'm going to quickly pack up all of my things and then unpack like this big bin of clothes that I brought home that's gonna stay here, so that I could take that bin back and fill it with some other stuff to bring home next week. So that's what I'm gonna do now. No, I should be good. This is the pile of clothes that I just unloaded. So I'll have to deal with this whole thing when I get back because I do not have enough hangers here for all of this. They're at my apartment. I'm stupid I didn't bring them home. We are all packed and ready to head back. Let's see, it's 1:53. Right on time. I would have left like a half hour ago, but my mom and I just kept talking. So, all right, let's hit the road. I might get Starbucks. I need to get gas. I know that. So, see you in a little. It is heckin' bright out. Holy crappers. I did stop at Starbucks a while ago, but I got a venti Irish cream cold brew with 1 pump Irish cream, 1 pump white mocha, and cinnamon dolce top. Never tried this before. I kind of just made it up on the spot, so. It is heckin' boggin' good. I am at the rest stop right now because I need to order, I just went to the bathroom, but I need to order Bartaco now. Holy shoes, that sun is bright. Okay, I'm certainly going to get today, the Bartaco secret, that's what the campaign is for, is a chorizo taco. So I'm getting that for my sister. And then I'm gonna get the family packs. The family packs at Bartaco are such a freaking amazing deal. Or the chicken, such an amazing deal because it's so much food. You get so much food. Such an amazing deal. So I'm gonna do a family pack of, do I wanna do that or do I wanna do the chicken? I kinda wanna do the chicken. Roasted chicken pack. Either the family pack of tacos or the roasted chicken pack is so, it's an amazing deal. It's $49.50. But it comes with so much food. It comes with an entire chicken, chips and salsa, 3 sides, I'm gonna do their beans because their beans are amazing. Their cucumber salad is amazing, and I love their rice. And then I'm going to add guac because their guac is insane. And the thing is, with them, they like put it, you get bigger quantities when you order takeout than you do when you're actually there at the restaurant, in my opinion. So I'm gonna do that. Okay. Blessed be thy. We have lots of food coming. All right, I'm gonna hit the road because my order is supposed to be ready in 20 minutes and I'm like an hour away, so bye. I've been home for a little bit now, but I literally immediately walked in the door and then started to work because I needed to upload a vlog, then upload a TikTok and schedule an Instagram post and another TikTok for tonight. So I didn't need to, but I wanted to. Clearly, that's my psychoness. So I came back to a shit ton of packages, and I do believe my sister probably just texted me that she's here. Let's see. She is. Okay. Well, my sister's here, but literally so many packages, so excited to show y'all, and all of the food, which I'm so desperately wanting. So this is perfect timing. My wreath fell while I was gone too, my wreath on my door, but I'm gonna go down and get her so we can eat.
Tomorrow we have 5.
Pepperoni. Frisky after.
We like just come from home.
Yeah. Well, I'm moving next week.
All of it?
Not the furniture, but this will be my last week here.
Don't leave your bike here. I might need that one.
What? Don't leave my bike here? Sister Rita? Oh, okay. Okay, I get it.
And his wife was trying to get a hold of him. And
cute.
I helped him call his wife back, and they were so happy. They like talk to each other because it's been like days or weeks or something.
Oh wow. Got it. Okay. I got it. This is all the goods. This is all the goods. Lots of food here. And then I got you a chicken taco. Here you go. And then I got pork something, portobello mushroom, and I forgot that you got 5. So here's your, or I forgot you got 4 already. So here's your 5th, and that's ribeye, I think.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't care what you got.
All right, so it is a little bit later. My sister left just a little bit ago, probably closer to a half hour ago, honestly. And we had dinner. It went really well. I'm a little bit tipsy because I had the whole like marg pack, that like juice pack thing, which was 2 margs, and their margs are strong. Had that all by myself because she had 1 marg. So I'm a little tipsy, but let me turn my heat down so you guys can hear me better. But I got a ton of packages in. A lot of it is mainly all gifts because I'm Santa this year, if you guys didn't know, and picked out all of the gifts for my mom and dad and sister and myself. Literally, I'm Santa. So got a bunch of that in. I'm not gonna show that on camera. I will show this though because I got this as my birthday gift, and I have the full size of the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, but it also, my best friend Abby got this actually, and that's what made me become obsessed with this to get the full size. But this is a little mini travel size, and then it also comes with their Coco Cabana cream, which smells amazing as well. Oh my god, it smells like you're literally on vacation, like, ugh, to die for. Highly recommend Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream or the Coco Cabana. You won't regret it. It smells amazing. They have sets right now for the holidays with full-size products for a really great price. I highly would recommend. Not just saying that. You can tell how flushed I am because of the drinking. Also, I got in some wine because I was working with wine still sold out for a little partnership, and they sent me like 2 wines to start. I don't know why they kind of came separately, but then they sent me 2 bottles of this, I don't know how to pronounce this. It's like a rosé. I don't know if it's sparkly. Just stabbed myself with something. Piece of glass. Looks fancy. But my sister likes rosé, and they gave me 2 bottles of this. And it's her birthday this Sunday, which is why we were having dinner together. So I gave her a bottle of this, and then they also sent over this, which I don't know if it's like kind of like champagne. It's a sparkling wine, which in my eyes, oh wait, cool, it tells you the percentages of wine. So it says 60% Chardonnay, 20% Chenin, I don't know, Chenin, and then 20% Pinot Noir, which is my favorite wine. And this is the brand of this. So they sent me 2 bottles of that, and I'm a one-man show here, so I don't drink that much, guys. I know, you might be shocked, but I don't drink that much. And then I'm so beyond blessed and thankful and just so appreciative. Talentless. If you've never heard of them, I have heard of them, and I've heard amazing things about their loungewear, which is what they like are mainly known for, and that it's so comfortable and amazing. And they reached out to me and asked if if I would like to receive some stuff from them. So I kindly accepted, and they sent over the comfiest outfit. They sent over this cropped t-shirt with like a mock neck, Talentless little logo over here, which is like so subtle but cute, and I love how it has like a drawstring. It's just like cute. It's just like a typical t-shirt, but it's so comfortable, and I wear shit like this all the time, so thank you to them. They also sent over the cutest freaking shorts, which I do not have enough loungewear shorts, and these are adorable. They're like a burgundy red color, and I love, it's like the little things, like the little Talentless stitching at the front here. Obsessed. So these are little like booty shorts. Very cute, super comfortable. And then they sent over this pair of shorts, which is a little bit longer. They have pockets, and these are extremely comfortable too. They're so soft. So that's what like Talentless in my eyes is known for. I've just heard so many things about how soft their loungewear is, and I can confirm that it is amazing. So if you're still looking to ask for things for Christmas, or if you're a dude watching this and you don't know what to get your girl for Christmas, you can never go wrong with some loungewear, and I'm recommending Talentless to you because it is worth the hype, I guess. It's like everyone says. God, I'm out of breath. And then, last but not least, I did get a package, a very hefty package from Misguided, which I'm very excited about, but I have not opened yet. So we'll see if I open that tonight, but you'll see this all in a video coming up soon. So I'm gonna hang out for the rest of the night and maybe do some light work. We'll see what I actually get done. I might pick out some brand selects and call it a night, maybe unpack a little bit. But I want to just say thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.